flying feathered friends have something to tell us. What do you want to say to them, buddy? So welcome to Cebu Safar's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle and Carl. And wait, there's more. Please come out, buddies. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws. Tony, Kyle, and Carl. And our green wing macaw named Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive birds. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. On their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that can crack a hard-shelled nut. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Alright, wanna go, buddy? Wanna stay with us? Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. So a round of applause to our flying macaws. So for our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird, but I need your help to call his name. Alright, so can you say Jumbo? Alright, so Jumbo, where are you, buddy? So here's our green wing macaw named Jumbo. So there's somebody, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave at them? Good bird. Alright, one more time, wave at them. Alright. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from their head to tail, and their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Alright. Last one. Good bird. So we can see most of the colors outside your body, and that's color under your wings. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful wings. Can you say wings? Wings. Good birds of macaws feet are zygodactyls, meaning that they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things and climb. Now Miss Debbie has a ground nut. We'll place it inside the plastic basket, and that's our reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo will get this reward. So he carefully lifts up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we're using our reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our bird. And that's what I said earlier, the Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Wanna know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we'll be having a spelling test. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here 5 animal pictures: the zebra, snake, tiger, horse, and the camel. And I want you to choose one animal picture. Alright, so what do you want to choose? Louder. Alright, so let's have tiger with Miss Gian. So Mr. Grace is preparing the jumbled letters. Let's have a short answer together with Miss Debbie. So Miss Debbie, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Hi, so what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruit, seeds, and vegetables.
Varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. So, Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Oh, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, so now buddy, just take a look at the picture carefully. And what is the smell of the tiger? Come on, you can do it. So first, you pick up the letter T. Next letter, buddy. So Jumbo, pick up the letter I. So you pick up the letter G, and for the 4th letter, so Jumbo pick up the letter E, and for the last letter. Come on. The letter R, so the tiger. T-I-G-E-R, is it correct? Alright, so I think it's too easy for Jumbo, right? So now let's have a mathematical test in addition form. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose 2 numbers between 1 to 10. Alright, so decide what you want to choose. Hand gesture, please. Alright, so let's have 8 and decide what you want to choose. Hand gesture. So let's have number 8 and number 5. Good, Miss Chris. Now, Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects?
English and math.
Oh, English and math. That's impressive. So, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
Cebu Safari. Alright, buddy. Are you ready? Alright. Just take a look at the numbers carefully. 8 plus 5 is equals to...
Grabe pagka-train on.
Come on. So first, if we get the number 1 and for the last number... Come on. So we pick up the number 3. So 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Is it correct? Alright, so a round of applause for our green wing ako named Jumbo. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers, a kid and an adult volunteer. So we have there our staff.
Sige na, volunteer na.
So we'll give you advice or instructions what will you do. Alright, so I think we already have a kid volunteer. How about an adult volunteer?
Volunteer unta ko.
Alright, so how about an adult volunteer? Clear edge. Alright, so I think we already have volunteers. Hi, you're not afraid of the bird, right? You're not afraid of the bird? Alright, just don't do an extra movement. Relax and don't touch our bird, okay? Are you ready? Alright, now I want you to meet our cute and fluffy bird named Bunny. So as you can see, Bunny is a very small